About male infertility and natural ways to cure infertility in men, low sperm count. The act of conceiving a child is something most of the people possibly take without any consideration. The general presumption approximately having youngsters is that everyone who's reached a certain age can accomplish that, and that it takes the act of conceiving a toddler is something the general public probably take as a right. The overall presumption approximately having youngsters is that everyone who's reached a positive age can accomplish that, and that it takes surely no effort in any respect. Paradoxically or now not, it's nearly definitely true that maximum of the efforts round procreation are geared in the direction of stopping it from taking place. But though most people who wish to have children can accomplish that, there are any quantity of individuals who would love to conceive a toddler however can't. This incapability to conceive a child is often known as infertility. Opposite to what some males may additionally agree with, male infertility can and does arise. Male infertility may be specially tough for a person to address from an emotional attitude, as preferred stereotypes of fellows as critical and energetic sexual beings frequently persist. The inability of a male to supply offspring can be considered as a failure on the male's part to live up to expectations. The term impotent as an example commonly refers to men, now not women, who are unable to conceive youngsters because of a sexual dysfunction. At its root, the word impotent refers to person who lacks efficiency or electricity. An impotent man then can also literally be considered a man who lacks energy. Maximum guys would do not forget it an insult for someone to refer to them as being vulnerable. There are various reasons of male infertility, but generally male infertility comes all the way down to certainly one of two causes: an incapacity to carry out sexual sex, or non-functional semen. Though it isn't always absolutely important, sexual sex is the standard method for conceiving youngsters. Whilst a pair is not able to have sexual intercourse at all, then there is glaringly going to be troubles with concept. While ladies can have issue with intercourse, they may nevertheless be sexually purposeful. A male who isn't practical sexually will locate it extraordinarily tough, if not possible, to have sex under any method. Adult males can also normally take their ability to supply wholesome semen with no consideration. However, the male's capability to supply semen this is able to fertilization can be compromised. There are any wide variety of ways that a person's semen can lose its capacity to fertilize. An apparent manner could be via a vasectomy, a sterilizing surgical procedure. Bodily trauma to the testicles also can damage semen output, as can immoderate heat in the region of the testicles. Studies advise that smoking cigarettes can also damage semen and doubtlessly make a male infertile. Even as the motives for male infertility can and do vary, infertility solutions for both women and men do exist. Infertility is sufficient of a trouble that numerous facilities that totally deal with infertility are in place. There are infertile guys who don't recall their infertility to be in trouble. Those guys who are infertile and don't forget it a hassle have remedy alternatives available, free web content material, and are seeking for them out. Natural ways to cure infertility in men, low sperm count. Infertility in men is largely a transient or everlasting circumstance of incapability to contribute to thought. There is no strict definition to this circumstance, and plenty of factors, mental and bodily as well as associated with lifestyle, may also contribute in its prevalence. Not like ladies, adult males do not have any unique age of turning into infertile. Some men can be able to make contributions to conception at some stage in their lives. There are few symptoms the ones may be related to infertility, but bite of those signs do not affirm the presence of infertility in male, however genuinely they suggest closer to it. Abnormal lesions of mass in testicles, undescended testicles, or pain and swelling in testicles with none different clear motives strongly propose presence of infertility. If after ordinary intercourse life all of sudden pain or soreness springing up while ejaculation or extent of semen reducing significantly also suggests some trouble, which might also purpose infertility. Boom in breast tissue, angry conduct, alternate in hair boom pattern, trade in voice, shaky and jumpy reflexes won't be clean warning signs of infertility but are related to it. Hormonal imbalance causing low or high testosterone levels, low FSH or LH hormone ranges are also symptoms of infertility. There are numerous reasons selling infertility in men, and shortage of regular sperm count is one of the foremost causes of it. Because of age, men tend to lose sperm rely, however discount in sperm depend at a younger age can be due to many motives. Man or woman no longer having sufficient variety of sperms and semen will not be capable of fertilize a lady's egg. Lack of sperm motility and coffee semen extent are other not unusual reasons and reasons of infertility in men. Environmental pollutants like hydrocarbons, oxygen loose radicals and publicity to heavy metals like lead and cadmium or publicity to chemical compounds normally used in pesticides like DDT and dialderon also cell and motive infertility. Some illnesses might also motive infertility, mainly those sicknesses which may additionally cause blockage in blood-wearing vessels and harm the nerves of the frame like diabetes, Parkinson's disease and so forth. Infectious and glandular sicknesses affecting hypothalamus, pituitary gland and testis, contamination of urethra, epidermis, seminal vesicles and infection of urethra also motive infertility, but this could be temporary, and may be resolved once the disease subsides. A few remedies which contain radiation remedy additionally promote infertility. Way of life related troubles like alcoholism, obesity, smoking, and nutritional deficiency can also deliver rise to weaknesses which can also create troubles with fertility. A few prescription drugs like cotrimoxazole, anti-ulcer drugs and over-the-counter medicines for high blood pressure additionally solid terrible impact on sperm be counted to cause infertility in men. Infertility is precipitated now not best because of low sperm. Remember, however, additionally because of loss of sperm motility, there are few elements which may also appear harmless but can forge terrible impact on sperm motility. Carrying tight undies, common warm water tub baths, exposure to heated locations on regular foundation, lack of physical games or very much less bodily pastime can lead to infertility due to loss of sperm motility. Sexual weaknesses like PA, ED and occasional libido won't permit a person to contribute to theory notwithstanding of absence of other troubles and deficiencies. Spermac tablet is one of the quality natural ways to remedy infertility in men. Everyday consumption of this natural supplement improves semen volume and high-quality sperm matter. Further, this natural tablet gives effective remedy for low sex power, erectile dysfunction, psychology articles, early ejaculation and impotence. This male infertility supplement reduces the deficiency of many vitamins and minerals. This pill nourishes the reproductive organs with good enough vitamin supply and makes one feel lively. Increase male fertility and sperm count naturally. Male infertility is a common fitness disorder among guys these days. Common reasons for male infertility include low sperm, remember, semen deficiencies and poor semen best. These days most people are dwelling a surprisingly stressful and busy life. Male infertility due to oligospermia or low sperm count is a commonplace health disease among men nowadays. Different motives for male infertility consist of semen deficiencies and bad semen pleasant. The threat elements for male infertility can be bodily, psychological or a mixture of both. Some of the threat factors are strenuous using of vehicles, obesity, genetic defects, hormonal imbalance, excessive alcohol consumption, immoderate smoking, overconsumption of canned or tinned meals items, medications like anabolic steroids, spironolactone, cimetidine, chemotherapy pills and so forth, strain and prostate fitness issues and so on. Symptoms of male infertility vary from individual to individual. Intake of herbal supplements can efficiently solve male infertility troubles and growth male fertility. Saw-fed muesli is one such natural therapy for reproductive problems in men. Shall we discover how intake of saw-fed muesli or saw-fed muesli capsules can growth male fertility? Quite a few researches had been made on users and they established the fact that saw-fed muesli pills can work amazingly on male reproductive inadequacies. Everyday intake of saw-fed muesli pills improves semen fine, sperm matter, thereby selling male fertility. The tablets are 100% secure and can be used for any period of time by adult males of any age organization. A person who wants to growth his fertility should take as a minimum 2 saw-fed muesli pills every day with milk or water. The capsules are to be taken after meals. The muesli tablets are a confirmed herbal remedy for male infertility. Muesli drugs can growth male fertility within 3-4 months of consumption. Saw-fed muesli tablets, aside from addressing the problem of male infertility, additionally rectify diverse other health-associated issues. They function an adept rejuvenator, selling the general properly being of someone. Ordinary consumption of muesli improves nerve cell functioning and lowers the risk of problems of the anxious machine. Apart from alleviating stress and anxiety issues, muesli acts as a natural tonic for improving reminiscence and energy of attention of person. It improves the functioning of the critical apprehensive system and lets in faster sexual arousal. Advanced blood move is every other key advantage of muesli consumption. Blood move to the genitals is immensely boosted, and so is the gratification out of sexual union. Additionally, by selling blood circulation, soft-fed muesli complements cellular energy, stimulates the functioning of reproductive organs, unfastened web content material, increases sperm be counted, and improves semen extent and first rate. These kind of collectively increase male fertility. Stem cell therapy will completely cure infertility both in men and women from the comfort of their home. You can contact me to get stem cell product for personal use or as a distributor. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.